Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dikumo, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my wash day routine recently and also how I got these loose twists on my hair. But I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. This is what I'm looking like right now. I need to wash my hair. Let's just wash my hair, guys. Let's go. Before we even get anywhere, I drench my hair into water, rinse it out, make sure that my hair is saturated with water before I go in with any products. So I just let it go under the water and just run my hands through it to make sure that all my hair is saturated. After that, I will section my hair into 4 sections as I always do with any style, because I will be washing my hair section by section, as you can see here. And before I even put any shampoo in, I'll go to each section and make sure that there's enough water and that my hair is drenched enough before I put any products in. I use the shampoo I got from Pep. It's not my favorite shampoo, but I liked that it made my scalp feel tingly and refreshed after I used it. I only used it for the first cleansing of my hair. So as I've said before, I work in sections, so I will get the shampoo, get it into my hair, cleanse and scrub my scalp, not with my nails, but with the bits of my fingers. I don't know if I'm making sense, but not with your nails, because you're scratching and you might break your hair. And then after that, I rinse each section as I go. I rinse it, as you can see here. Then, because I needed that extra cleansing, I went with this cocoa wash from Aunt Jackie's, my favorite. I swear by this product. And then used it, and as you can see here, the leather is much better than the first cleansing, so I really like that, and my hair felt soft. I was able to even detangle a little bit with my fingers before I went in with my conditioner and my detangling brush. I did the same process of washing my hair section by section, and then I will go in and rinse it section by section. So it's pretty simple and straightforward that way. I work in sections because it's much easier for me, and I'm able to manage my hair better.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you?
After all of that, I go in with the Cocoa Repair conditioner from Aunt Jackie's, another favorite of mine. Run it through my hair, but before I apply the product, I drench my hair in water first, because water helps activate the conditioner, if you didn't know. And then I run my hands through it to finger detangle before I do anything else. And then I go in with my detangling brush, detangle the entire section. Then I will then section that section and go into 2 or 3 and then twist down the hair as soon as I finish detangling, and then I'll move on to the other sections. I suggest that before you detangle your hair, just make sure that you apply the conditioner to all of your hair and then go back section by section and detangle. I don't know why I did it this way that day, but yeah, it ended up working out. But I'll just suggest that you just apply the product so that it penetrates your hair first before you go in with your detangling tools.
You are beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
After all the sections are twisted and detangled, I will then rinse out the conditioner. Sometimes I do let this sit in and make it a deep conditioner, but not on that day, so I just rinsed it out, and of course the twists came out, which is fine. If you want to, you can retwist them, but I didn't do that. I just let my hair under the water, drenched it, rinsed out the product entirely.
On the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
After I rinsed out all the product, this is how my hair looked in the end. The curls and kinks are clamped, which I very much love, and it shows that the products are working. I then tie it at the back to try and avoid shrinkage as much as I can, and then I use a cotton t-shirt to soak up the water. I do not use towels ever. I only use cotton t-shirts to dry my hair. And then I went in with this leave-in conditioner from Soften Free and tied my hair into 2 buns because I was lazy to do anything else. Okay, so I ended up doing these loose twists. Yeah, you don't think I'm done? No, I started in the front. And it's currently 2:11 a.m. and I have the bag left. I don't think I have much to do. It's not a very time consuming hairstyle. It's very quick because the twists are loose. So, and I'm going for a messy like look, so I'm not looking for anything perfect, but I want to finish before I go to sleep. I thought I was going to leave the bag for the morning, but I'm like, I want to just finish it because it's quite fast and let me just get to it. So I'll try and put you guys somewhere why am I breathing heavy and show you guys how I do them. Yeah.
Don't give away my love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love, so don't give away.
But yeah, this is what I have left. Let me turn around. So I have this little section left. I don't know if that's visible, but there's not much to do, so I know I'll be done quickly, but let's get to it. I don't know if I should do both. I kind of want it to fall naturally, so let me do that. Yeah. Oh, I also wanted to say that I'm not going to make the parts at the back like perfect because I can't see there, and if you're looking at the back of my head, what are you doing? So I'm just gonna do whatever. I'm just gonna do whatever, you know, just freestyle it, and I think it will look more natural that way. So yeah, I thought I should say that first.
My love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So I had already applied a leave-in conditioner to my hair, so I just went in with this gel, the Curl Boss from Aunt Jackie's, and twisted my hair. I apply the gel to the section of hair and then I detangle a bit with my detangling brush, and then I will twist. So to twist, to get this look, you twist down the roots tightly and then you let loose and make the twist loose as you go down, and then when you get to the end of the twist, you twirl the twist around your finger to create that coil.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting.
So I'm going to repeat that again. So you take out your section, you put the gel in, you detangle just so your twist is smooth, then you twist tightly at the roots 3 or 4 times, and then you loosely twist down the strand of your hair. And then when you get to the end, if you need to, you'll use more gel to help twirl the twist around your finger to create the coil. And I can show it better than I can tell it, but I hope that makes sense.
do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
Okay, let's go through this one more time so you understand. You take your section of hair, you apply your gel, and then you take your detangling brush to tangle further, and then you're going to tightly twist 3 or 4 times at your roots, and then loosely twist the rest of your hair. When you get to the end, if you need to, you'll take more gel, put at the ends of your hair, twirl around your finger to create a coil. It is 2:58. Do you see how quick that was? That was really quick. I don't know what the back looks like.
On the grassland side by side, you can be my baby. When you make you my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
That is what it is giving right now. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's a cute hairstyle, but it will have to grow on me, and also because I love big hair and the shrinkage hair is shrinkaging. But anyways, it's 3 a.m. Let me go sleep and we'll see how it looks as the days go by. But I think I will like it. I'm just a bit hesitant right now because I love big hair, so no. But yeah, I'm happy, and I'm happy that I won't be touching my hair for a few weeks. I won't be manipulating it as much. I'll just, moisturize it and stuff. But yeah, I'll update you guys on how I'm feeling about it in a few days, whatever. But good night. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a couple of days since I did the twists and I like them. I can safely say that I do like them, and I like that I'm not constantly touching my hair and doing a lot of things. But yeah, and I've been styling them a few different ways for me to enjoy them and have fun with it, and I've been posting those on my Instagram if you want to see those. But yeah, that is all that I have for you today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. That's the best I can do. That's honestly the best I can do.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.